So my name's Bidwell, I'm 18 years old. I've been doing joinery / carpentry for about 3 years now with the same company, Varsity Living. I really enjoy it, it's like one of the most fun things that I've done so far. Yeah, and in the company we do all sorts of different things like construction to maintenance to full rip-outs and renovations and stuff. Everyone that I've come across in that company have been really supportive and helpful, and I started with them when I first came out of school. I did a labouring job with them and then they offered me an apprenticeship, which is then when I decided to go on and do the joinery, and I've really enjoyed it so far. If someone was thinking of doing an apprenticeship, I would definitely tell them to just go for it, because it is honestly one of the best experiences that I've been through, and the amount of things that I've picked up and learned from both being on site and being in college. For instance, I've been put forward to do competitions with the college. So for instance, I did the Welsh skill build, which I came first in, and I got a medal and stuff like that from those. So having those two experiences and knowing that I would never have done that if I hadn't have taken this apprenticeship is amazing. I've just recently competed in a national competition for the UK, and I came 4th in that overall, which is amazing, bearing in mind we were the top 8 in the whole of the UK. So just being able to do all of this, along with being on site and making friends on site, has just been amazing. Being a woman in this sort of trade is like, you know, a lot of people look at me and they're like, really, is this really what you want to do? And to be fair, I really have enjoyed it, and everyone that I've come across have been lovely, but you can imagine that the sort of things that some people might look at me and they judge and they say, oh, is like really a woman in this sort of trade? But like, I have found that through doing all of these competitions and stuff as well, proving that I can get first in a competition against everyone in Wales has just shown that women can do this job, and it isn't just a men's job. There should be a lot more women in this trade.